Hey there, welcome to this quick introduction to day trading. If you've ever wondered how traders make money by buying and selling within the same day, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what day trading is, how it works, and what you need to get started, even if you're a complete beginner. So, what exactly is day trading? Day trading is a trading style where you buy and sell a financial asset, like a stock, cryptocurrency, or forex pair within a single trading day. That means you open and close all your positions before the market closes. No overnight holds. The goal is simple. Take advantage of small price movements to make consistent profits throughout the day. Day traders rely on two main tools, technical analysis and market psychology. They look for price patterns, candlestick signals, and trading volume to predict short-term price direction. It's not about guessing. It's about reading the market's behavior and reacting fast. Now, why do people choose day trading? Because it offers freedom and flexibility. You're your own boss. You decide when to trade, how much to risk, and what strategy to use. Many traders are attracted by the idea of making money from home, using only a laptop and internet connection. But remember, while the rewards can be high, the risks are equally real. Day trading isn't a shortcut to get rich. It's a skill that needs discipline, patience, and constant learning. Let's talk about how it actually works. Day traders use different strategies. Some trade breakouts, catching a move when price breaks a key level. Others trade reversals, spotting when the trend might turn. Scalpers focus on tiny price movements and take multiple trades in a day. Momentum traders follow the trend and ride it until it slows down. Every trader develops their own style, but all have one thing in common: risk management. Successful day traders always protect their capital using stop-loss and position sizing. So, what do you need to start day trading? First, you need a trading platform. For stocks, platforms like thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers are popular. For crypto, you can use exchanges like Binance or Bybit. Next, you need a reliable strategy. Don't trade randomly. Learn a simple, tested system and stick to it. Third, you need discipline. Avoid emotional trading. Don't chase losses or get greedy. And finally, start small. Don't risk all your money on one trade. Practice with a demo account first, and once you gain confidence, move to real trading with small amounts. Also, keep your mindset clear. Day trading is not gambling. It's a game of probability, patience, and precision. The best traders treat it like a business. They plan every move, track performance, and keep emotions under control. Let's be real, not everyone succeeds at day trading. Around 80% of beginners lose money because they trade without a plan, without risk control, or let emotions take over. But if you treat trading like a skill, study charts, manage risk, and learn continuously, you can become part of the successful 20%. So, if you're thinking about getting started, remember this formula. Education plus practice plus patience equals success. Watch market trends, study technical analysis, and learn from your mistakes. Day trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon of learning and mastering yourself. If you stay disciplined and keep improving, the rewards can be life-changing. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to day trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading insights. See you in the next one, and happy trading!